Alright guys, welcome back to 91 Wheels. We are at the launch of the all new TVS Ronin. It's just gonna launch. In fact, the launch is still on, so काफी पीछे आवाज आने वाली है, but this is the version with the official accessories right over here. Prices for the Ronin, they start at 1.49 lakh rupees ex-showroom daily, and तीन versions है, single tone है, dual tone है, triple tone है. On this particular one, you can see a lot of add-ons. The USD forks are of course standard, but you have a fly screen coming in over here. You have a tank bag over here. This is metal, so you have tank bag sticking on the tank. Soft shuttle bags at the back because TVS is trying to show this as a long distance bike as well. You have another soft pannier at the back, so soft panniers, the tank bag and the windscreen up front. I'll do one thing, I'll try to switch on the bike to show you the dials. So three different versions, 1.49 lakh rupees is starting price. This is how the dial looks like. You of course get Bluetooth connectivity, and when you have the light on, this is a typical signature T of the Ronin. RONIN, it's a 225cc motorcycle, approximately 20 PS of power, and it's got dual purpose kind of tires. So TVS is not set, but they are trying to hint this as a bike you can use for your commuting, a bike you can use for your touring purposes, a bike you can use on soft trails. I don't know as of now if this is an accessory or it's an add-on, but it looks plastic. It's not really very heavy. Of course, oil cooling comes in over here. 20 PS of power, and there are more bikes standing, but it's very loud because of the launch going on over here. But one more option over here. Plenty of accessories, plenty of riding gear, and this one is in a finish of orange and black. So that's a silver and a black. This is an orange and a black. I'll try to get you more colors. Stage is definitely very loud, so there's no point going to the stage. Let me see if we have more motorcycles parked over here. 1.5 lakh rupees onwards is fantastic pricing, and they are definitely trying to eye a lot of other rivals, from the Avenger to the Dominar 250 to the Enfield as well. Let me show the indicators. Cool looking LED indicators, LED DRL, and of course the LED tail lamp, which I'll see if it can be shown as of now. Yeah, beautiful tail lamp at the back. Now they are really voicing a lot on the exhaust note, but it's very loud over here. I can't really show you the exhaust note, but yeah, two more bikes. So you do have your riding modes coming in. The modes can be changed from here. The tank seems pretty huge. We don't have access to the specs right now. Mega launch going on, so I'll just try to show you the bike. I'll give the phone to Julian to show you how I look on the motorcycle. I, by the way, stand 6 feet tall, and it looks comfortable enough even for a tall person. It doesn't feel small, or it actually feels very manageable, which we'll come to know. We will be riding the motorcycle tomorrow in Goa. The review goes on Monday, so the riding perspective, the comfort perspective, the acceleration, performance and economy from a 6 feet tall person who weighs 100 kgs will come on the channel on Monday. So guys, for the notification, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon as well. But for now, if Julian goes back, this is the kind of poster I have. Pretty nice. The seat also feels big enough. It feels soft enough for the initial feedback. But yeah, for Goa we will have the bike for the entire day, and a few visuals from the add-on side. I don't know if it is standard or an accessory, but whatever it is, it looks cool. The TVS branding. What is your best part about the Ronin, guys? Let us know in the comment section below. One more thing I've noticed on this motorcycle is the red strip on the wheel. This is something that definitely stands out, and the kind of cover they have taken for the chain. Look at this chain cover, something unique, different I've never seen. on an Indian motorcycle in this kind of price segment before. Also, this one has a different tone for the tank. That's a colleague, industry colleague Amit Changani from Motorheads. And that is how this particular motorcycle sounds. TVS has been hinting this a lot during the conference. I will again start this. So this is the tachometer. I'll switch it off. Yeah, so tachometer comes in over here. Complete DJ. You have the time, the speed, the fuel tank capacity, the odometer, the trip meter, and the gear. I'm currently in the urban mode. This can be changed from this side over here. So rain mode, urban mode, and then I am assuming there'll be more parameters over here to be shown. Example, the fuel economy and the distance to empty. That we will know going forward. So yeah, from a distance, this is how the motorcycle looks like. This is black. Golden USD, folks, definitely stand out at 1.5 lakh rupees starting. Very good. I'm assuming the USD, folks, with the golden could be the higher version, could be the more expensive version, which is expensive by approximately 15 to 20,000 rupees. I'll try to walk towards the stage to show you another color option if it's present. Yeah, I see a red, I see a blue. So I've shown you orange, I've shown you silver, I've shown you black. This is the red one, and there is a blue part on the other end. Guys, this is what happens at an event for a popular motorcycle. There are people all around, but I'm assuming in the starting I've shown you good visuals. This is the one with the blue with the golden USD, folks, and the red strip around the alloy wheel. So this seems to be standard. It is not metal, it is plastic, which I saw on the first motorcycle. The side panels are completely stock. This is a stock motorcycle, it's not modified. The modified is standing on the other end. So yeah, we ride the motorcycle in Goa tomorrow, and on Monday the video goes live on the channel. The video will carry a lot of information for prospective owners, for prospective buyers. I'll try to answer all your questions. Any particular thing you want me to answer or know or experience in the ride, guys, let me know in the comment section below. But for now, TVS Ronin from Goa. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.